What's up, guys, for another video. So today, last video, a creeper blew up. If you guys saw the last video, and yeah, I really want to rebuild it, but I already did. Oh, I keep saying that, and it's so annoying. But anyways, this is Coy Jacob's dog. That's the small one's Kitty's dog, and yeah.
I don't have a dog.
No! Oh my god! A duck for fishing.
Oh, duck?
Huh?
I want my dog to be a bear.
Stop it!
No.
You're in a video right now. You do know that, right?
Really? Are you gonna post it?
No.
Oh, di mo pala pa-post eh.
I'm gonna post it. Yeah, I am.
Shut up.
You shut up.
No, bro.
Guys, hold on. Sorry about that. So now we can fish in peace. I'm just gonna eat while playing Minecraft with you guys. Well, I know. My mom told me that she just... Yes! Yay! I got one. Hold on, guys. Oh no, guys. Getting night. Yeah, I got tickly for the thingy. Hold on, guys.
You don't want to be careful of
Jello, mamanya Jello.
Element and her third jump, footwork or transitions after the double axel. We'll be celebrating.
Alright. Time to sleep. Sleep a deal.
Or outside edge on that sideways landing spin. It's unusual.
Hold on, guys.
Slap.
Ilan saging yata Jello? Mana ka? Ilan na saging?
Wala na.
All the jumps are done. Skaters can let loose and enjoy the steps some more. These are finish moves.
Alright, guys.
Little trip there that will be reflected in
When you guys were not here yet, I mean on the other video, my diamond is here. Jake let me get the diamond from the chest.
Footwork isn't
And
correct
yeah.
very much at the ice. It's quite difficult. But it's
Don't worry, guys, that's just a TV.
Oh.
Alright. I'm sorry, Spider.
illusions.
Hey, that is awkward.
Nakakanya niya.
Oh no, he is fast. He is fast.
Kakanya na naman.
Just one more hit for me and I'll be gone.
She initially had planned to do triple looks, triple toe, and obviously made a decision to a safer and probably lower scoring triple toe, triple toe. But again, that's making good decisions.
Ayun, na-slide.
At only 16 years of age, she will, through training, learn to
I'm
finish
gonna
moves
die.
and gain that finesse.
That's why I'm fishing, guys. I don't want to die.
So a lot of the short program is about getting those jumps done, getting those 7 elements done, and performing. Here's the opening jump
Nope,
combination.
jumping does not give you good luck. What about crouching?
It's nice to see jumps that actually get into the air. They jump first and then rotate.
Going forest.
And that is all the way around to backwards.
I don't
Easily her
want
high
to
score
die
of
here.
9.10.
I'm putting this in Kitty's because she already ate 2 pufferfish, and I believe she is brave enough to eat another pufferfish.
Here's the axle.
Buk mo, ano sa tenga mo?
Required, a double axle, double or triple axle is required. So watch where the foot comes down. It'll come down backwards. Is it
Meron ka dyan.
a strong moving edge? Completing the positions with the hands. all
Ikaw
the way to the
kadiri.
back. It's that maturity and the
Kaya
experience
tinapon.
that she will gain. So these are
Right.
Grabe niya.
really
Bullet mo tayo.
and flexibility, improving flexibility to be able to use
First,
that's just complete.
the biggest house,
Positive reaction.
the medium house, and the small house. Yep, we all have different sizes. Great.
Step sequences, minor.
Mine was the
In the grade of execution. The level 2, the spins, 2 of them are level 3. So there'll be no
Come back
particular
here.
gain as she stretches out and paints that performance finesse over the next season or 2. But certainly having
Uh-huh.
Mag-breast cancer na
great.
lang ako.
You are no match for me.
Breast cancer na lang ako. Madalas babae naman.
52, ay 55.
She moves up into third place. Behind it, Isadora Williams in second and Brady Finale first. So Williams from Brazil has now
Good luck.
Score na rin.
That's for good luck.
5/10 of a point behind.
Mom,
Napakaliyan dyan, oh.
there's this string I hung it on to. See? Going up on and down. No wonder I don't have any fish yet. Please, crouch.
Montagova, an 18-year-old,
Please. See?
is 31st in the world.
Oh,
Juniors.
seriously?
18 another game.
Alright, fine. String, give me good luck.
Shaker radio players. It's for these.
Ano naman?
Come on. I misclicked.
Hello.
Come on, get a fish already.
Which is the triple salco, double toe.
Yes.
It's a low level combination jump, but it's been
Ah, so
successfully
loud.
completed.
Kuhan mo yun, oh. Sasarian mo dyan,
Hindi
oh.
ko ma. Promise na, mati ako.
So loud, Mama.
Second element are steps.
Alright. Come on, get another fish.
With a triple toe, and that definitely under
Maybe if I
rotated.
hide, they won't see me. Right. Bricked. Ugh. Yuck. I keep getting popped. Well, boom. Boom. They won't see me. Huh.
Double axle almost in front of the judges. That's
I just
backwards.
tried Jake's dock for a little bit.
Ang kuhan niya yun.
Akwan. Bakit?
Alright.
No.
Now let's try
Mapakinggan
Kitty
dyan.
Patooty's dock. And let's just call her
Dapat
Kitty.
hindi na malaman.
And let's just call her Kitty, please. Alright. A little bit like I just keep getting puffer fishes near my dock, but that's okay.
She's using the music for her step sequence.
The farthest I could go.
There's been a pretty good delivery of her short program. There are jump problems.
Don't think the fish see me.
Good finish.
Exotic music for an exotic performance. Aitza Mbekova, 18 years old from Kazakhstan.
Yes. Okay. Guys.
Good performance.
Guys.
I thought her energy was very good. Upbeat.
Hold on.